everyone, it's Catherine. I just wanted to pop on today with a quick video of my Happy Daya order. It's not really an unboxing because everything's been opened, but I loved everything so much I felt compelled to share. Now, I bought some things from the breakfast kit. Let me just get everything here. I wanted the anniversary box, but I kept going back and forth on it, and I ultimately realized that while I loved the artwork, the kit itself wouldn't work for me, and there were things that I just couldn't use. So I bought this one sticker sheet a la carte, same with this notepad, and then I bought like the Hobonichi Weeks kit that kind of matched. It's the same artwork, and the 3-pack of washi tape. So this is like all the washi that comes in it. There are, sorry for like how chaotic this video is. This is a different washi, part of a different like collection. My husband is upstairs with the kids, so if you can hear banging and crashing in the background, that's why I'm filming like this, and that's why there's so much noise. But you take the time when you get it. This is a different washi, and I really, really like that one. I actually really like the colors and the artwork in this collection, but I only bought the one tape from that. Okay, now this was a freebie. I actually searched the website for just like sticky notes and notepads in general, and this was the only one available. So I was thrilled when I opened my order and saw this in there. This was sent as a freebie. I totally would have bought this. You guys know how I love my sticky notes. This is the thing about this company. This is my second order from them, and they are crazy generous with the freebies. Probably better than most companies. And you know what, I'll show you the freebies first. These are the freebies that came in my order. I don't know if this is a sticker. I'm going to find out though. And part of why I bought like more, I went back for a second order, is there were some freebies that I desperately wanted more of, and you can't buy them, which stinks. That's one sheet. Then there are two more like that. Relax ones, and then payday, work related. And what I really like about these things is once you've taken the stickers off there, you could totally kind of just cut this. And what I'm inclined to do, this is sort of my thing, which is, it's kind of like the sticky notes, is I would totally paste that. Like I would, because this is a sticker, I would just kind of cut out once the stickers are gone, and then use that space in the middle to journal in. And you can totally do that with all of these, and then with these two as well. These are notes. So this is kind of one of those things that I love. I mention it in other videos. I like practical decor, if that makes any kind of sense to you. But this is just a cute little sticker, but it's a box sticker. It's meant to be written in, and so are these. So I love that. And this is something that this company really does a lot. And then when I'm done, I will totally just cut out the white space and paste it in and do my journaling in there. I wish I could buy like a sheet of these, both of these. And then there were like bunny ones a ways back that before I knew about the brand, and I missed those freebies, but like I would totally buy just for the freebies. Okay. Now, these are the stickers that I bought, save for 2 sheets, and I'll explain towards the end. I'm going back to Hawaii again, so I got these travel stickers just because they're so fun, and yes, they kind of match. And can I just say how hard it is to get recycling stickers? It's so annoying. I live somewhere where we have like a really great program, but I can never get recycling stickers, and I'm always confused about what week it's happening on. Definitely need these. Okay. I'm hoping to get back to ballet at some point in this lifetime. So I got some cute ballet stickers, and I'm hoping just like the desire to use them will motivate me to go back. I'm still extraordinarily weak, like very, very weak. These are like the luggage ones, pack your bags. And if you just search that, it should like the sticker itself should pop up, because that's the item number. And I always need to remember to do this. In fact, today I had to buy 2 new sets of bed sheets because my husband managed to rip a hole in them. Ugh, so annoying. It's so expensive to get sheets for our specific bed. And then I bought these Panda family ones, and you can choose. I think you can choose up to like 4 or maybe 5 kids, but I chose just the 2. And then maybe it will motivate me to clean the bathroom. My son's bathrooms were really scary. Okay, so these 2 sheets were actually freebies. And the reason that those are freebies is because they kind of are freebies and I kind of paid for them. The sticker sheets cost about $2.50 a piece, which is extraordinarily reasonable in terms of price. However, there are a few different shipping options. These are coming from overseas, so to entice you to get the tracked insured shipping, there is a $10 shipping option where if you choose that, you can choose 2 sticker sheets. And if you don't choose two sticker sheets, there are like, every month they change, there's 2 freebie sheets that are this size. They're like your standard quarter size sheets that you can get. So if you like those, you can just get those. Maybe you want a surprise, or maybe you want something specific. I chose these, and I'm very happy with them. And she does make it, or he, I'm not sure who it is, if it's a man or a woman or whatever, that runs Happy Daya. But yes, they let you pick, and I love that. And they make it very, very easy. And I ordered about a week ago, and so it shipped from Asia to the US, although it went to Oregon and I'm in Washington, and then in the USPS's infinite wisdom, they sent it all the way to New Jersey. So then I had to go from New Jersey back to the West Coast. I don't know. So I could have had these days ago, but thank you, USPS, for just keeping life interesting. And so these have had a tour of the continent, and but they still got here really very fast overall. And I would highly recommend just springing for the $10 shipping, because really, if you were gonna buy anyway, like if you were gonna place a larger order anyway, you have to spend $30 to qualify for that special shipping rate or program. If you were gonna place a larger order anyway, then it's worth it, because really it's just like $5 shipping, and you can get like a $4 shipping option, so you may as well. I would always just wait until I was going to buy a whole bunch at once, and if you buy a whole bunch at once, you get a ton of freebies on top of it. So yes, this is everything I bought, and I am so happy. I love everything, and the company so far has been a pleasure to work with. I am not going to be subscribing to their bi-monthly kits right now, just because the price point is really too high for what you're getting. I would rather buy a la carte, and if they made the sticker sheets that go into their kits a la carte, I would totally buy them. But I'm not going to subscribe to the kit, just because for the sticker kit, which comes with Washi, and then the Hobonichi kit, is like $50-$60 and everything after shipping. So no thank you. It's just too much for me. All right, so that's all. Bye guys.